Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today's tutorial is applicable for any 11th generation Honda Accord hybrid, and it has to do with enabling the walk-away feature for the vehicle, or maybe turning it off. You can learn how to do that here as well. So here's what you're going to do. We're going to scroll over here to Vehicle Settings in the infotainment screen, and over here on the right-hand side, you'll see Door Setup. We're going to go to that. And you'll see that you have several different options here depending on what you want to do, but we're going to focus on the walk-away feature. You can see what else is here in case you need something along those lines. You'll know where that's found, but we're going to go right here. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can turn the walk-away auto lock feature on or off right here, or we're going to turn that back off. You can actually select that area and go into this screen, and you can see whether it's off or whether it's on. So there it is. It's now turned on. And if you're wondering if it works or not, let's get out. I don't know how well you'll be able to hear this just because I'm not going to have my microphone up close to the vehicle, but you're going to listen for some beeps. And as you walk away, you're going to get those beeps. There we go. We heard everything. We know that the vehicle is now locked. In the event that for some reason it doesn't work, that means that all of the doors are not closed. So make sure everything is closed, and then you can lock the vehicle after that. Hope that tutorial is helpful to you. This is applicable for any 11th generation Accord. If you want to see a specific tutorial on any Honda or any additional vehicle, let me know down in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.